Welcome, Arithmetic Ninjas, to multiplying numbers together that are multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are basically any whole numbers that end in a 0. So 20 and 80, 70 and 20, 700 ends in 2 zeros, so that's a multiple of 100. But multiples of 100 are also multiples of 10 because anything that ends in a 0 is a multiple of 10. So every single number that we've got here is a multiple of 10. Whether or not it ends in 1 0 or 2. It's just that those that end in 2 zeros are also multiples of 100. Anyway, here we go. Question number 1, 20 times 80. Now there's an easy way of doing this. You basically cover up the zeros and put them back on at the end. So 2 times 8 is 16. And we've covered up 2 zeros, so we need to put 2 zeros back on the answer. Final answer, 1,600. Question number 2. Cover up the zeros, put them back on at the end. 7 times 2 is 14, and we've got 2 zeros that we've just crossed out. Put them back on at the end. 1, 2, 2 zeros. Your answer then is 1,400. Question number 14. This time we're crossing out 1, 2, 3 zeros. We'll just put that same amount of zeros back on at the end. 7 times 5 is 35. And we've got 1, 2, 3 zeros to put back on at the end. Don't forget to put your comma in. Remember, your comma goes 3 digits in from the end. 1, 2, 3, comma. So your answer is 35,000. Question number 19 looks like it's going to be harder, but you just mustn't panic and do exactly the same again. So cross out that 0, that 0, that 0, and we've got 2 times 3 times 4. Let's work that out slowly. 2 times 3 is 6, and now we want 6 times by this 4 here. 6 times by 4 is 24. So we've got 24, and we've crossed out 3 zeros, so we need to put 3 zeros back on. 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. Don't forget your comma, so it's going to be 24,000. 20 times 30 times 40 is 24,000. The last one again looks harder simply because it's bigger numbers, but cross out the zeros. We've got 1, 2, 3 zeros crossed out, and we've actually just got 12 times 11. Now actually that shouldn't be too difficult if you know your times tables. 12 times 12 is 144. So 12 times 11 is one less lot of 12 from 144. So if you knock off 12 from 144, that's 132. So 12 times 11 is 132. And we crossed off 3 zeros. We've got 3 zeros to put back on. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Don't forget your comma. So your final answer is 132,000. Now we've tried questions 1, 2, 14, 19 and 20. Now it is your turn. Good luck.